Hey everyone, my name is Jess and I'm the founder of Sallie Tomato, and we are very excited to open up day 11 of our Sallie Tomato Co Box. So I am going to open up the box and find day 11. So I'm gonna set this aside, and here we have day 11. Get creative. So with this newer arrival we think you are just gonna love, save today's item for day 13. This material is dirt repellent, water resistant, breathable, odorless, strong and durable. It features a distinctive patina design. A helpful tip is to spot clean this fabric, and we cannot wait to see what you make with it. Trying to open this all nice and pretty, but it's just not gonna happen. So here we have Sallie Tomato Faux Wax Canvas. This is our field tan color. Faux Wax Canvas is an exclusive material that we designed here at Sallie Tomato. Our Faux Wax Canvas is soft, strong, and durable. It can withstand wear and tear, making it ideal for rugged, long-lasting projects. This canvas is printed with a distinctive patina design, giving it a vintage, weathered appearance. This material can be used to make outdoor and adventure gear, including backpacks, duffel bags, jackets, and other items. It adds a rugged, outdoorsy look to fashion bags or apparel projects. You can also use it to make travel bags, home goods, and accessories. I do have a few tips for working with Faux Wax Canvas. We recommend sewing this fabric with a polyester thread for durability. And just like other types of canvas, it can be sewn with a universal 80-12 needle and ironed on a cotton setting. If this material catches your eye for another upcoming project that you're working on, feel free to use it for that. Otherwise, we encourage you to save this fabric for day 13 when we unveil another Sallie Tomato project in the box. We truly hope that you enjoy working with this material and you like today's item. If you are curious about the Sallie Tomato box for 2025, we've added a link to join our newsletter group below so you will be notified when it releases. And as always, we encourage you to share photos of the items that you get in the box and the projects that you make with them. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day.